In this video, we'll show you how to assemble your Greenworks single-speed 22-inch single-stage snow thrower. This guide can be followed for both 60-volt and 80-volt 22-inch snow thrower models. Please note, this video does not apply to the 80-volt 2-speed model 2608402CO. This unit has its own video which can be found on our page. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Tools required. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver to assemble the discharge chute and the chute rotation box of this snow thrower. Step 1. Unpacking. To prevent accidental injury or damage to the product, we do not recommend moving the box on your own. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove all loose parts and packing material. Carefully lift the snow thrower and set it on the ground. Be sure to remove the remaining parts from the bottom of the box. The handle and chute rotation box are attached to the snow thrower by wire. Gently set these components next to the unit, being cautious not to damage the wire. Remove the plastic protecting the chute rotation box. The operator's manual can be found in the battery compartment along with a bag of hardware. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product to ensure it works properly. Installing the middle handle arms. Remove the knob and metal spacer on the cam lever. Align the hole on the middle handle arm with the hole on the lower handle. With the cam lever facing down as shown, insert the bolt through the hole, then reinstall the spacer and tighten the knob. Lift the cam lever to secure the handle in place. If the cam lever has too much resistance, you may need to loosen the knob slightly. The cam lever should feel firm when lifted, but do not force it. Repeat on the opposite side. Installing the upper handle. Slide the upper handle onto the middle handle arms. Insert the long handle bolt through the holes on both sides and then tighten the wing nuts firmly. Installing the chute rotation box. Align the holes on the chute rotation box with the holes on the right side of the switch box. In the bag of hardware, you'll find the nuts and screws needed to secure the chute rotation box. Place one of the nuts in the seat located on the back of the chute rotation box and hold in place. Insert the screw from the front. Repeat with the second nut and screw. Once installed, tighten both screws firmly with a Phillips screwdriver. Installing the discharge chute. Line up the holes on the discharge chute base with the holes on the unit. Set the discharge chute in place and secure with the screws provided. Using a Phillips screwdriver, tighten the screws firmly. Please note, there are 2 spare screws included in the hardware bag. Verify that the discharge chute and the chute rotation box have been properly installed by pushing the chute rotation handle forward. When properly installed, the chute should move to the left. Pulling the handle toward you will move it to the right. Securing the cables. Fasten the cables to the handle using the clips. Battery and charger. If you purchased a complete kit with battery and charger, these items can now be unpacked and set aside for later. Depending on the kit that you purchased, you may have more than one battery and a different charger than shown in this video. Properly maintained, your Greenworks snow thrower will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.